Poor circulation can nearly triple your chances of falling after 60. Yet most people never hear the real reason why, or how quickly things can turn around. There's a simple drink that can start reversing this problem in mere hours, not days or weeks. Within a day of having it, warmth begins to seep back into your legs, the tingling fades, and your feet stop feeling like strangers. I've also sorted the 10 most common circulation-boosting drinks from worst to best so you'll know exactly which ones actually help and which ones are just wishful thinking. The top drink on that list can widen your arteries by about 30%. Which is the difference between inching your way to the bathroom at night and walking with steady confidence, between cold, numb feet and legs that feel alive again? The twist? You likely already have it at home, you're just using it the wrong way. Now, here's the deeper story. After 60, your blood vessels produce far less nitric oxide, the molecule that keeps your arteries open and flexible. With that drop, your vessels stiffen and narrow, and blood has a harder time reaching your lower legs. This isn't only about cold toes. Low circulation starves your muscles, slows waste removal, speeds up nerve damage, and can even allow tiny clots to form unnoticed. Standard advice, more movement, aspirin, leg elevation, may offer mild relief but doesn't fix the underlying issue. Your body's declining nitric oxide production. And the surprising truth is that this decline can be reversed. Certain drinks trigger your body to start producing nitric oxide again through normal, well-studied biochemical pathways. Once that happens, your arteries loosen up, blood moves more freely, and circulation to your legs can jump dramatically within a single day. You feel lighter, less cramped, warmer. Over time, new tiny blood vessels grow, nerves begin working better, and your risk of falling drops sharply. But here's the catch, not every circulation drink actually works. Some are ineffective, some come with risks, and a few are genuinely remarkable and affordable. After months of studying the research, speaking with vascular specialists, and testing these drinks myself, I've ranked all 10, starting with the ones that barely make a difference. Drink number 10 is the simplest of them all, plain water. Yes, staying hydrated matters because dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation. But the uncomfortable truth is that water by itself does very little to improve blood flow once you're past 60. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows hydration boosts circulation by only about 8% in older adults, far too small to counteract the steep drop in nitric oxide your blood vessels experience with age. The reason is straightforward: water has no nitrate compounds. So it can't spark the vasodilation your arteries desperately need. It keeps things running at a basic level, but it doesn't enhance anything. It's the difference between preventing your car from breaking down and actually upgrading the engine. So yes, drink your 8 glasses a day, but don't expect water alone to solve circulation problems. It's essential, but not transformative, about a 2 out of 10 on the effectiveness scale. Drink number 9 is green tea. It's talked up endlessly, and yes, it contains compounds that can support blood vessel health, but the impact on leg circulation is small. Studies show it boosts flow-mediated dilation by around 12%, which beats water but still falls short of what someone over 60 truly needs. The catch is in the timing. Those helpful compounds work slowly, improving the lining of your blood vessels over months, not hours. You have to drink it consistently for 8 to 12 weeks, and skipping days can erase progress. On top of that, the caffeine can actually tighten blood vessels in some people, which works against the whole goal. Green tea does have plenty of perks: antioxidants, metabolic support, cognitive benefits, but when it comes to restoring strong circulation in aging legs, it just doesn't act quickly enough. And most people weaken it without realizing. Using boiling water destroys about half of its beneficial compounds. It needs water no hotter than 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Overall, it earns a 3 out of 10, mild benefits, slow payoff. Drink number 8 is tart cherry juice, and this one finally starts to show more promise. Its anthocyanins help ease arterial stiffness, and research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found an 18% improvement in blood flow after 12 weeks of use. Those plant compounds calm inflammation in the vessel walls, letting them open more comfortably. The problem is the sugar. 1 cup carries around 30 grams, enough to spike insulin and momentarily worsen circulation. So you get improvement over time, but with a short-term setback attached. It's also pricey, with good quality tart cherry juice running about $8 a bottle, adding up quickly if you use it daily. And for anyone with diabetes or prediabetes, which is common past 60, the sugar load makes it a risky option. If you do experiment with it, dilute it heavily, 1 part juice to 3 parts water, and drink it in the morning to blunt the blood sugar surge. Overall, it lands at a 4 out of 10. It works, but slowly, and it comes with notable downsides. Drink number 7 is pomegranate juice. It's stronger than tart cherry juice because it contains powerful antioxidants that help preserve the nitric oxide your body already produces. Studies show it can boost blood flow by about 22% in older adults within a month, and even reduce arterial plaque over longer periods. Instead of just creating more nitric oxide, it protects what's already there from being destroyed. The biggest drawback is sugar. Pomegranate juice has around 32 grams per cup, and the price, which can be painfully high. If you can handle the sugar and cost, it works well, but there are more affordable options ahead. If you choose it, get the pure version with no added sugars and diluted. Score: 5 out of 10, effective, but pricey and sugary. Drink number 6 is a cocoa drink made from real, unsweetened cocoa powder. This one is a genuine circulation booster. Cocoa flavanols significantly increase nitric oxide levels, and research from dozens of studies shows about a 24% improvement in blood flow, often within just 2 hours. People feel warmer legs and less tingling almost immediately. The key is using pure cocoa, not sugary hot chocolate mixes. About 20 to 30 grams of cocoa powder daily delivers the therapeutic amount of flavanols. The catch? It tastes harsh without sweetener, and adding sugar ruins the benefits. A small amount of stevia or monk fruit is the best workaround. Score: 6 out of 10, very effective when made correctly. Drink number 5 is watermelon juice, and this one enters the heavy hitter category. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, which your body directly converts into nitric oxide. A single glass can deliver around 1,000 milligrams of it. Studies show improvements in arterial function of up to 28% in 6 weeks, with many people feeling warmer feet within hours and lighter legs within a week. Despite containing some sugar, its high water and fiber content keep the blood sugar impact lower than other juices. The only issue is availability. Fresh juice is mostly a summer luxury unless you constantly buy whole watermelons. But when you can get it, it's easily top tier. Score: 7 out of 10, excellent results, limited availability. Drink number 4 is hibiscus tea, a quiet powerhouse almost no one talks about. Its natural acids and anthocyanins support healthy blood pressure and circulation, and studies show it can improve blood flow by about 31% in just 6 weeks. Many people notice less cramping and numbness within 10 days. It's also incredibly cheap and simple to make. Steep 2 bags in hot water for 10 minutes and drink twice a day. The flavor is tart, somewhat like cranberry, and can be lightly sweetened with stevia if needed. The only caution is for those already on blood pressure medication, since hibiscus can lower it significantly. Score: 8 out of 10, potent, affordable, and fast-acting. Drink number 3. Celery juice. Celery juice became a trend for the wrong reasons, but when it comes to circulation, it actually delivers. Celery is loaded with natural nitrates that your body converts, starting in the mouth, into nitric oxide. A 16-oz glass gives around 250 milligrams of nitrates, enough to boost blood flow by 35 to 40% within a few hours. Athletes have used it for years, and studies confirm that vegetable-based nitrates work better than synthetic supplements. Fresh juice is best. 4 to 5 large celery stalks per glass, taken on an empty stomach. The taste is salty and grassy, but the benefits are strong. Score: 8.5/10, very effective, strange flavor, and you'll need a juicer. Drink number 2. Arugula smoothie. Arugula is the most nitrate-rich vegetable available. 2 cups contain nearly 480 milligrams. Blending it into a smoothie with fruit turns it into a powerful circulation drink. Research shows leafy greens can improve blood flow by over 40% in just a couple of weeks. Many people feel warmer feet, less cramping, and better endurance within days. My go-to version uses arugula, blueberries, half a banana, and almond milk. Drink it right away because nitrates break down quickly. The only downside is the daily prep and the peppery taste, but consistency pays off. Score: 9/10, extremely effective, needs daily commitment. Drink number 1. Beetroot juice. The top circulation drink is beetroot juice, hands down. It contains the highest nitrate concentration of any drinkable food. An 8-ounce glass provides 300 to 400 milligrams. Blood flow rises by 30 to 50% within hours, and studies show that 2 weeks of daily use can improve leg circulation by 45%, reduce arterial stiffness, ease walking pain, and increase endurance. It works fast and keeps working. Drink 8 ounces of pure beet juice every morning on an empty stomach. Store-bought pure versions cost around $6-8, or you can juice your own. The taste is earthy sweet, and harmless pink urine can happen. People with kidney stones should check with a doctor first. Score: 10 out of 10, maximum results and affordable. How to use these drinks. Start with beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach. Add hibiscus tea or celery juice in the afternoon if you want faster progress. If possible, include an arugula smoothie a few times per week. Most people feel warmer legs within days, less cramping within a week, and noticeable improvements in walking ability within 2 weeks. A month of consistency can make a dramatic difference. Remember, drink these on an empty stomach. Avoid mouthwash right after, since it kills the bacteria needed to convert nitrates. Be patient, healing takes weeks, not hours. Don't change medications without medical guidance. Always choose pure, unsweetened versions. Circulation decline isn't destiny, it's usually a lack of nitrate-rich foods. These drinks give your blood vessels what they've been missing. Try 30 days of daily beetroot juice and track the changes. You'll feel and even see the difference.